Hello, lovely fans of Poleeno Multimedia. Ya catch us any update be a course Ghana lockdown here, the bro. We have video here. One military personnel wajina trotro car echo. Two or more for then home pie and faton say. Or wabusia and so waja ho and our Bogana home by. And she or Sierra Mopi or Sregana for you say. Moso mo Betty the president akano na amo moso juma na omoyen aye for mom. One of the best videos ever Poleeno Multimedia yeni etwa so nti e wo se yene ye viewers ehwe ohe video no nsema o ka to me as Poleeno Multimedia worker no I believe say nipa we wo se aban ebo na baso na etimi etungofo so bebre f. Thanks for watching this video. Mpacho mo he video no.
But it's better than losing your lives. Do you understand? It is better than losing your lives. Go through the hardships in your house. It is better than you live in this world. Your maker up there has a purpose for you. So please stay home. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Make it very easy for everybody. Look, we all have our families. We would have been happy staying with our families back home. But we are out here working for God and country. And then for you. So please stay home. Don't make it difficult for us. But it's better than losing your lives. Do you understand? It is better than losing your lives. Go through the hardships in your house. It is better than you live in this world. Your maker up there has a purpose for you. So please stay home. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Make it very easy for everybody. Look, we all have our families. We would have been happy staying with our families back home. But we are out here working for God and country. And then for you. So please stay home. Don't make it difficult for us.